of working abroad, this land of opportunity is calling for workers in the healthcare, education, farming, and IT sector. Here you will find competitive pay, great working condition, and pathway to permanent residency. This is a place to grow, thrive, and live your dreams. Take the first step by clicking on the link in the description box to get started. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share to your friends so they can also benefit from this opportunity, and also like the video. So
This is a wonderful community platform that you'll be able to know a lot of things in terms of traveling abroad.
once you click on the link, it will take you to this page you're seeing on the screen here. You have the aircraft maintenance planner, you have the early childhood teacher. They're also hiring passionate midwives, field service specialists, pizza chef, registrar training pharmacist, general practitioner, hiring midwives for Australia also. So let's check out one of the, and most of the jobs on this website comes with visa sponsorship. If you can see, we have visa sponsorship. Um okay, wait, we have visa sponsorship here. We have visa sponsorship here also. Relocation assistance, visa sponsorship. Okay, the field service specialist did not come with visa sponsorship because it's work from home. That is an hybrid. So once it's hybrid, then they might not want to sponsor your visa. They basically want people who are in Australia already for that. So we also have the registrar training pharmacist. Visa sponsorship is available. So let's check out one of these here. The aircraft maintenance planner, the location, benefits. You can see the benefits. Relocation assistant visa sponsorship is definitely available. Full job description. This is it. The candidates, what you must have, desirable but not essential criteria include, like, if you have all of these, also all these criteria, is also a plus. And that's it. Relocation assistance or visa sponsorship will be considered for the right candidate. So if you send your application out and you are hired, definitely get visa sponsorship. For the early childhood teacher also, for the early, so you just click on it, then it will bring full details on the right hand side. You can see the job type, location, benefit, childcare assistant annually, visa sponsorship. So the job description, you're going to see your hourly rate. It's a full-time job, that's a permanent job. What's in it for you, what you need, and we get visa sponsorship also. Another one is let me see okay, registrar training pharmacist. So you click on it like the other ones, and you're going to see the full details on the right hand side also. Location, benefits, full job description, what they can offer you, salary expectation, um flexible working condition, access to employee assistance program, access to discounted gym membership. So a lot of opportunities under this registrar training pharmacist. So if you like to go for this, all you have to do is to click this apply on company. When you say apply on company, it will redirect you to the company where you start your application. That's where you drop your CV, your cover letter, your name, your country, and other information that you know uh, that okay, yes, this information or this document will boost my chance of getting hired. Know you are going to get a sponsorship for it. So just try out your luck, and I wish you best of luck. And try as much as possible to register to apply to as many jobs as possible on this website. So I wish you best of luck.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.